Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to disable group notification tones on the Telegram app for PC. If you find constant group alerts distracting while working or studying, this simple setting will help you keep things quiet without missing important messages. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the very top left corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Click on it to open the full menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see different options that control how Telegram works. The one we're looking for is called Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and click on that to continue. Now, within the Notifications and Sounds menu, you'll notice different categories such as private chats, groups, and channels. Since we're focusing on group chats, select the Groups option. This will open up the notification preferences for group conversations. Next, look for notification tone. By default, Telegram assigns a sound to play whenever a group message comes in. To disable it, click on Notification Tone, and a list of options will appear. From that list, choose No Sound. This setting ensures that you'll still receive notifications from your groups, but without any audible alert tone. Once you've selected No Sound, don't forget to press Save. This is an important step because it confirms and applies the change. After saving, you can exit out of the Settings menu, and your new preference will be active immediately. From now on, whenever someone sends a message in one of your groups, you'll see the desktop alert or badge notification, but without the constant sound interruption. This little adjustment can make a huge difference if you're trying to stay focused on work or just want a calmer desktop experience. That's all it takes to disable group notification tones in the Telegram PC app with the new update. It's quick, it's simple, and it gives you control over how you want your notifications to behave. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and try it out today so you can enjoy a distraction-free experience on Telegram.